Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get to Liberty City in GTA San Andreas. To properly access and explore Liberty City, you'll need to install a specific game modification. This isn't a native feature, so a mod is the only way to truly experience it. This transformation brings the iconic Grand Theft Auto Roman 3 setting into your San Andreas game, offering a fresh perspective and new adventures. First, locate and download the Liberty City mod from a trusted modding website. It's highly recommended to use a mod loader, such as Mod Loader for San Andreas, as it streamlines the process and helps prevent conflicts. Before applying any changes, always create a backup of your game's original files. This ensures you can revert to the unmodded version if needed, protecting your game integrity. Once the mod is successfully installed, you can dive into Liberty City. You'll recognize many iconic locations from Grand Theft Auto Roman 3, now accessible within San Andreas. Enjoy new gameplay possibilities, including swimming, climbing, and flying with a jetpack, which were not all available in the original GTA Roman 3. The mod also often includes graphic enhancements, making the city feel fresh and immersive. Before you start your adventure, always double-check that your game version is compatible with the specific mod you're using to avoid issues. It's also a good practice to save your game often, especially when exploring new areas or trying out new features. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key, whether you're gaming or out and about.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.